I stumbled on this TikTok video yesterday and it got me intrigued.
You call what you do digital real estate. Can you explain what that is?
Yeah, I call it digital real estate. Also call it digital drug dealing.
Okay.
But essentially what we do is we teach people how to make passive income by, it's a really simple model. You pick a city, you pick a niche, like concrete, tree service, etc. You rank a website on Google, you rent that website or you sell those leads to a local business owner for passive income every month.
And when I saw this video, it really got me excited because in my opinion, this is one of the best business ideas that I've heard in a while, right? Not only is it practical, but it's also passive somewhat and online once you set it up. Across the board, I've looked for the best new business ideas constantly. I'm always intrigued. I'm always trying to improve. Obviously, I do a lot of e-commerce. I've moved into things like YouTube automation is one of them, right? We've heard organic TikTok drop shipping, just creating videos and then organically people will magically purchase from you. Day trading, crypto, and you name it, there's a number of trendy new business ideas out there. And in my opinion, this is the best one I've heard in a long time. So I plan on testing this over the next month or two and seeing realistically how practical it is and any potential issues that might arise as I try to start a few of these different websites. Am I able to create the websites easily? Which that shouldn't be a problem. I can just use a specific template, build the website, maybe a 2-3 pager with a contact form and get leads. Am I able to rank the website on Google once I do that? Can I do that organically or do I need to pay for paid advertising to bring in leads? And then once all of that's done, can I actually successfully contact business owners and get them to then purchase those leads for me? And am I able to redirect those calls or those emails or those numbers to the business owner for a fee every month? So again, this is really intriguing for me. Let me show you another few videos from this guy.
Let me show you how I'm making $500 per hour from this one single client. And I say that because I'm making $2,000 per month and I'm spending less than an hour per week with this client.
So not a crazy claim there. He's saying $500 an hour. And right off the bat, you're thinking like, whoa, all right, this is my BS meter is a little bit high here. But then he goes into saying like, yeah, he makes $500 an hour because he has a $2,000 a month client and he only works 4 hours on the business now since he set the website up and then he sends the leads to the business owner. It makes a lot of sense, I gotta say.
So let me explain how easy this is. People call that website. Those phone calls go directly to my business owner. He gets the phone calls. He pays me $2,000 per month. All I do is I make sure the website is still working. I make sure that we're adding content, doing basic SEO stuff, making sure the Google My Business is working. That's it. I set it and I basically forget it. It isn't completely passive, but it certainly is semi-passive.
So no outrageous claims. Seems like once you set up one of these, right, whether that's a $500 a month client and you're starting out, or it's $1,000 a month or a $2,000 a month client, like obviously it entails that you build the website, you rank it via SEO, or you pay for paid ads. You understand how to pick your niche and a specific city or location because obviously that business owner is going to be local to that within a specific niche. So in one of the videos I heard him say, I think it was like Seattle for construction workers, because Seattle's a big enough area with a large enough population. Construction is high paying, so you have a lot of leverage when you're selling these leads to that type of company and business owner. And he also talks about in some of these videos how he's able to specifically look for niches and business owners that he might want to potentially target because maybe they're already running paid ads on Google or elsewhere, so he knows that they've already kind of put a value on paying for leads. Or maybe it's something where he's doing a little bit of research on Google and he realizes that the top 2 websites locally for cleaning services or whatever, or window repair, have terrible looking websites. They don't have good SEO, and you can easily outrank them with just some good SEO tips. So you can check out this dude's videos. Again, I don't know anything about him. I don't know much about this business other than the practicality of the other skills that I've acquired as an entrepreneur over the past 6 years or so. And to me, it sounds pretty practical, pretty achievable with work, of course, and something that pretty much anybody can do that seems pretty promising. Of course, anything like this is going to come with hiccups and specific hurdles that you and I might not have foreseen. But you're only going to find those and be able to kind of work through those if you're doing it and you're taking action on it. So again, let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below. This is really intriguing, and I don't just plan on creating a video here and telling you like, this is intriguing. I plan on trying to build a website like this or two, and I will definitely report back with how it goes and keep you updated.